In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center elements in Webflow. Start by opening your Webflow project and navigating to the page or section where you want to center an element. Before making any changes, it helps to identify exactly what you are trying to center. In Webflow, the most effective and responsive way to do this is usually not by adjusting margins manually, but by using Flexbox on the parent container. Flexbox is considered the industry standard for centering elements because it gives you precise control over alignment in both directions. That means you can center something horizontally, vertically, or both at the same time, and it will usually behave much better across different screen sizes. Once you are in your project, select the parent element that contains the item you want to center. This could be a div block, a container, or a section, depending on how your layout is built. The key thing to remember is that you don't usually apply the centering settings to the item itself. Instead, you apply them to the parent that is holding that item. That's what allows Webflow to position the child element neatly within the available space. With the parent element selected, move over to the Style panel on the right-hand side. In that panel, find the Layout section. This is where you control how elements are displayed and aligned on the page. Under Display, click the Flex icon. As soon as you do that, the parent element becomes a Flex container, which unlocks alignment controls designed specifically for layout management. This is what makes the process so simple and reliable. Now look for the Align grid and click the Center box. This setting will center everything both vertically and horizontally inside that parent container. If your element wasn't lining up properly before, this should place it directly in the middle in a clean and responsive way. As a quick tip, if the element does not appear vertically centered the way you expect, check whether the parent container has enough height for vertical alignment to be visible. Flexbox can only center within the space available, so the size of the parent matters. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.